Alright, this is just a quick video to show how the LED light battery holder works. Since this is actually plastic, they had to plate it with copper and then chrome it. And so basically the conductive part of this is the actual copper plating. So the LED, which is located there inside, is soldered to a circuit board. So what happens is it makes contact on the inside to the outer casing using the copper plating. And also, to keep it from turning on when it is threaded in, there's a white piece of plastic right here. It's a insulator that's placed over the battery so that it doesn't make contact with the inside of the cap. And I don't know if you can tell, but the inside of the cap is actually copper. So that's how it conducts from the outer casing to the top of the battery terminal here. And as you see, it's positive. That's the plus battery terminal. And so that the sides of the batteries do not short against the inside of the copper casing there, it has a piece of shrink wrap. This is a clear plastic shrink wrap. So we have our negative. We got 3 1.5 volt batteries and positive on the end. So in order for this to function, you place it inside here like that, and then you thread the cap. Sometimes the contact between the LED and the circuit board doesn't make contact with the copper plating. And as you see on the circuit board, there is a trace. This is a conductive trace running along the edge right here. You can kind of see it there. And so basically the center is one terminal of the LED, and that would probably most likely be the minus side, since the batteries go on the top like that. And then the positive side is this little bitty electronic circuit board trace right there, which touches the inside. Down inside there, there's a lip, and it rests against the inside lip there, which touches the copper. So that copper conducts against the outer cap, and then that would then touch the positive side of the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and place that in there. And sometimes, if it doesn't lay completely flat inside there against the copper plating, you might have to rotate it, spin it around, move it around a little bit so it makes good contact. So you place the battery inside there and make sure that this is flat and level right there on the inside and pointing in the center and straight up. And you don't need to put the plastic in because that's the insulator. And we're going to give this a try the first time. And I thread it in, and there it is. So if you have any issues with the connection, just move the LED around a little bit in there, turn the batteries, and it should work okay for you. Alright, thank you for your time.